Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and we all use npm packages, right? Whenever we you develop any of the Node.js application or any other Rails application, we all use on npm packages, right? Now, discovering npm packages in npmdays.org is doesn't look right, okay, and it's not a good way to search for it, but uh I today I have a platform that I have been using for a long time, and you may know about it, and you may not be know about it. But here you can search about npm packages, all of the JavaScript packages that we have, and lots of other packages as well. And you can compare between them in terms of popularity and all of the other things, and you can see a tons of data about it. So let's just get started with today's video, and let me show you the So here we are at OpenBase today, okay, and here you can see already JavaScript packages are searched, JavaScript package is selected. Now here we have all of the other languages as well, like Python, Go, Java, Rust, Swift, and 5,500 plus packages category. And here are some of the popular front-end frameworks, that is React Native. I hate React Native, Angular Core, and there are some bundlers as well, like showdown of bundlers, the Webpack, Babel, and all. And as you can see, what are the things that they are giving over here? You can see it here, like GitHub stars, weekly downloads, last commit, user ratings, and we have CSS frameworks as well. Bootstrap is still on top. How I don't know, but Tailwind is the best. And okay, just because GitHub Bootstrap has the most stars, that's why. So obviously it will reduce by time, and Tailwind will be on the top and top and top. Okay, whatever. And here you can see, yeah, Tailwind. And suppose you want to see one of the app, like one of the repository. So here we have it, and here you get a lots of data. Okay, so here you get, first of all, like popularity wise, weekly downloads, GitHub stars, last commits, dependencies, user ratings, and a lots of other things. Some of the reviews are also here. Here is a readme that you can see in the repo as well. And here are some of the links, like directly npm link, npm install link is over here. And here you can go to the homepage of this particular package, then npm page, then GitHub page, then cdn link as well. Okay, and here you have documentation, tutorials. I don't know from where they are sourcing these tutorials, but you have it anyway. Here you have done the documentation section. All of the documentation is actually basically the readme.md, nothing else actually. Then reviews section, so you can get review about this, and there are lots of stuff, right? Poor documentation too. Tailwind doesn't have poor documentation. It's have like one of the best documentation ever. Okay, great documentation and usage, like all of the the parameters. Then we have maintenance here as well, and here you can see legit graph of the maintenance, like what is going on this particular repository or on this particular project. And we have dependency graph, not graph, dependency is as well listed over here. So here are all of the dependencies that Tailwind is using currently. Here is post css as well. Obviously we use post css with Tailwind lots of times. Then we have versions. Wait, let it load. So in the versions, obviously you will get to see like all of the versions in there. Right now we are in third version of Tailwind, 633 version. Whoa, and those are insider versions. And here is the 3.3.0.11 launch, as you can see, right? And in the alternative section, actually you get all of the alternatives of Tailwind. Suppose I am in the Tailwind library. That's why I am getting the Tailwind alternatives over here. And same goes for all of the packages. So really great tool to overview all of it, right? I use it time to time when I am like grabbing something new. Like a few days ago I was searching for tooltip, so I searched tooltip libraries, and specifically tooltip. So let's see here, best tooltip library. Here are the some of the tooltip libraries like tpjs, popper.js, all of those things, rc tooltip for react. So there are all of those things, right? And so this is how this kind of work, right? And I have like recently used it, like use it time to time whenever I need to get like need to choose a particular package that I want to use in my project, or I don't know about some of the project I want to discover more about it. I obviously use it for that reason. Now let me know if you like this particular site or not, like use it obviously, then have your opinion in the comments. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great platforms like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well. So that's it for this video. Bye.